Hello student, today we are going to discuss the last topic, that is the working of perceptron network. So what is perceptron network? It is the single multi-layer feed-forward neural network, and what is the meaning of and it categorizes the data into two forms, that is input and output form. Okay, now we are going to discuss the working of perceptron neural network. There are the input unit which are available and which is to be based on McCulloch-Pitts model. Yes, exactly. These all the models which are based on the McCulloch-Pitts model, that is Adeline neural network also, and this perceptron network also. But the difference over here, the bias. Okay, so working is depend on the adjustable weights. How we are going to achieve our targeted output? By observing the output and adjusting the weight. Okay, so x1, x2, x3, these are the input, and w1, w2, w3, these are the weight for this input. Now this w0 describe the bias for given perceptron network. If this bias input is 0, then this activation function does not work. But whenever this bias function is 1, at that time it works. Means we have to adjust our weight, we have to achieve our target by adjusting the weight of bias and also the weight of input. Okay, suppose we have given the 0 1 1, and at the output we get 0.234 something, but what we want output is 0.5. so what we have to do, we have to adjust the weight. We doesn't have we Okay, this hard work must be same, but what we have to do, we have to adjust the weight. Okay, so with the help of that, and these are the things we are going to achieve by the different number of state, finite number of state. We can't say that within the 1 turn, 2 turn and 3 turn we get our desired output. We have to go through the number of states, finite number of state. So these are the things, how we are going to adjust, how we are going to achieve our goal, by adjusting the bias and the weightage of the inputs. Okay, so this summation function describes the summation from I0 to I0 to n, and the wi into xi. Okay, so this wi is nothing but your wi plus propagation of weight. So this propagation of weight is nothing but n in bracket t minus o into x. Okay, so this t describe target value, the o describe output value, and the n describe the learning rate or small constant. So these are the things, with the help of that we are going to describe the concept of perceptron network. Okay, thank you.